So here's the aftermath of the storm. Got a couple limbs down. Half my roof is in my yard. This grill was pushed over to like here. I forgot to put it up last night. Smooth move on my part. Lost a mailbox, but the roommate found it down the road. Neighbor lost the fence. Probably some of his shingles in the backyard, it looks like too. Shingles everywhere. Puppy's loving the cool weather. Huh, Val? It feels good, huh? Watch out. But the lady survives. I don't think I had any damage to the shop from what I can tell from the outside, and the inside looks about the same. She's still good. I decided to run out here and put the trash can in last minute, like during a little calm part of the storm, because another thing my ass forgot to put up was the trash cans. I don't have much to pick up out of my yard, but all this stuff we picked up last time, and I guess thought it was going to be nothing like last time, and well, it's a little bit worse this time around, obviously, since my roof's in my yard. Yeah, that neighbor lost that fence piece. My biggest concern was one of these pine trees falling over on the shop, but looks like all it got was some debris hitting, small limbs, whatnot. Overall, it's good. My roof looks like it didn't really take much damage on the back side, other than that peak. You can see one shingle popped up. All my caps. Yeah, just shingles and shit everywhere. My car's probably beat to shit from shingles hitting it. Busted windows, that's a plus. Yeah. Roof is fucked. One piece of vinyl popped out. I can pop that back in. It's not missing, so good for me. So no vinyl on this side. Hey, bud. Yeah. Overall looks alright, other than the roof. My car's covered in leaves and whatnot. I'll have to wash it to find out if it's got any pieces all scratched up from the shingles hitting it or not. But yeah, that's it. So I'll be doing some roof work before I'm back to work doing anything on the Mustang probably. I just wanted to give y'all a heads up, let y'all know I'm still alive and kicking. And this video, obviously, by the time you see it, will be a couple days past probably, because we're still without power, no internet, anything. Power was flickering like crazy during the storm. It finally went out, and then did some crazy flickering during the storm. Thought it was going to come back, but I guess there was a tree on a line or something interfering, shorting it out. Yeah, so it'll probably be, I figure, at least a day before we get power back, if not two. Another day past that till I get internet and I can upload this, because cell phone signal's pretty shitty right now as well. And of course, no power, can't charge my phone, so this video is going to be about the only phone usage I get, other than people calling and texting, making sure I'm alright and such. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.